starting off with a concealer that is 1 or 2 shades lighter to give that iconic porcelain skin that she has. And then I'm going in with a cool toned brown shade in my crease and just buffing that out. I'm taking that same brown shade under my eye and bringing it pretty low under the eye to give a dead look. Taking a black shadow, I'm packing that on my lid and slowly starting to blend it out. Now for contour, I'm taking it under my cheekbone and down towards my chin to make the face look slimmer and a little dead looking. I wanted to take a little on the sides of my nose as well for a little bit of depth. Luckily, Jenna Ortega has beautiful big lips, so I don't feel bad overdrawing mine with this look. And of course we had to do a dark blood red lip because we all know how Wednesday is about her love for blood and all things gore. In the show she has beautiful natural lashes, so I applied a few individual lashes instead of a full strip. A little mascara on the lower lashes and a little bit on top to blend those falsies in with my natural lashes. So I love doing fake freckles with makeup, so I took a little brush with a lighter and darker brown eyeshadow and applied smaller and larger freckles. This helps them look a little bit more natural. And that is it for this video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!